पहिलानो तिनी अरु फाइ मजा फैनाय तिनी खाजोक्सा तिनी बुबाग्रा मदन किशोर मानिक बहादुर तिब्रा मथानि चेयरमैन बना बलाई हामबाय मारागो ते फाइ मजा तिनी अरु तिब्रा मथानि प्रेसिडेंट तिनी अक्रा बिगर आंखल ते तिनी एडिशनल चेयरमैन तिनी दादा ते बचिनी फाइ मजा गोबां मानसिनि नेता आं बुंनो सालिया आंनि बन्धु तिनी अनिमेश डेपुटी सीएम ते तिनी एमएलए जतन तंगो ते तिनी अरु पहिला आनि सिक्ला आनि सावक्रा आनि चराय आनि सागबाक्सा बन पहिला हामबाय मारागो आं तिनी बेलायखौ तंथकजाक आं तिनी अबन वानसखौ हरागो आजो आं सामंख्लाय थैमानि ताकलाय आं खुसिंगियाखौ आं थागाखा आं सारा विश्व बिथिं गुरिखा आं प्राय 12टा कान्ट्री आं गुरिनायखा बनिपुरा आं तिनी मन्त्रीखा ताबक जों तिनी थामसांखा अमनिपुराव आं इमान करे थैफानो आं गार एक्सिडेंट थैफानो आने आपता शांति मने आं खागावो तामनेके आं मुइते मानो 2009 जों फाइलेखा आब्रो जों एक्शन गाया मात्र 70 जन 2009 गो जों चिनामो हरमन गाइसेनो जों हास्ते कतल खाइ मारनाय स्टेट हुड खाइ मारनाय जों तिब्रा फिरक थांगांलाय जों लामा न जों बेंगायो लामा हिंगागा जों नाय बर थाब थाखलायो आं बेलाय लाजियो आनि बिश्वास दङो आनि पयजा दङो सालसेले सालसा ओ आनो बेंगायनाय रक आनो नायसिनाय रक बिशेष जोंनि कजा खायनाय रक सिबाम खायनाय रक बर बहायनो ईश्वर बरनो हामारिनाय ते बर तिब्लानि मा साननाय आं देवान सममानि तिनिनो पुरानो खाय खागाव आं बनि बागै आं तिनि हबं बुइदिर माया आं तिनि तिनटा बाजाव तिनटा बाजागै आं रेलवे स्टेशनाव थाङो आं माइ माव खैया जों खोनाखा तिनि सिग्ला रक तिनि जवान रक बलायखौ दुखु माखा लामा रक ना कमालायखा आंखौ खबर नाय दङ माइ गाहामखौ मा जाया मा थुया ज्राय रक दङ तिनि सिग्ला रक दङ बोला बेलाय बिरमान माखा आं खोनावो आं तिननाव दङ और मन्त्रींगै भिआइपि रुमाव दङ किन्तु आं बोखागो आंनि सानदेखोरै खुवाइनि बरक आनि एलाकानि बरक आना बुमखाय साव हदि बरक सार आनि बेहालाबार नि जिनज्राय मासा कमाङै थांगा निगेसे नायगिरा देनानै साव बहक बरक पारा बरक काबजाक बनि बहि बसा काबजाक ताखौ बह काबजाक पियाबातिनि आसे तिनि सिकारक बुहा कुवार बुहा कराक हानि बां दफानि बागै जों दुखुनो दुखु होया कस्तनो कस्त होया खने फाइलै जाऊ भाइयों बहनों दिल्ली वासियों आप लोग मालूम है त्रिपुरा राज्य बॉर्डर में है, बांग्लादेश के पीस में है। हम लोग का इतिहास, हम लोग गोल्डन हिस्ट्री दूसरे से अलग है। हम लोग त्रिपुरावासी इंडिजिनस पीपल, हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है। इवन ड्यूरिंग ब्रिटिश रूल, ब्रिटिश कैन नॉट ऑक्युपाई त्रिपुरा। ऑल ओवर स्टेट ब्रिटिश में राज किया है, एक्सेप्ट त्रिपुरा। त्रिपुरा ब्रिटिश के अंदर में नहीं है, हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है, प्रिंसली स्टेट है। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य है हम लोग का, आफ्टर मर्जर विद इंडियन यूनियन 1949 हम लोग का भविष्य, हम लोग का फ्यूचर आस्ते आस्ते बिगड़ रहा है। हम लोग एक दूर से एक मिस्टेक है, हम लोग इन्हीं का साथ मार्च किया है। आफ्टर मर्जर विद इंडियन यूनियन, our people, our nation, our Tripura nation, their future, their aspiration, slowly perishing. Therefore, before knowing Tripura, सबसे पहले भारतवासियों, मेरे प्यारे भाइयों बहनों, आप लोग इतिहास पढ़िए। You read the history of Tripura to know everything. Before knowing everything, first of all, आप लोग त्रिपुरा का इतिहास आप सब पढ़िए। If you don't know the history of Tripura, you will not know anything about our aspiration. Our history is a golden history. In whole of the world, when I have given a speech in Geneva, when I have given a speech in Germany, the same word I have uttered. Tripura is the longest kingdom in the world, second to Japan. 184 king, more than 5,000 years, is ruled by, occupied by indigenous people of Tripura. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We have a living history at present with us. Our beloved Bhubakarra Maharaj is a living history. This history have to go on. As history says, history repeats itself. Now our history is repeating day by day. Our history repeating. It is a fact, a true, that our history, golden history, would repeat again. Bonabagai, we shall live together with strong mentality, with determination, with zeal, courageous. We should not ashamed, we should not feel shy to announce, to pronounce our dignity, our kingdom, our dynasty. In all over the world, not only India, our history, our glorious history. But unfortunately, after independence, after merger with Indian Union, the government of India and government of Tripura did not recognize, did not give due importance to our history. This is very unfortunate. Our history is not given important. Our kingdom is not given important. Our contribution of the royal family is not given important. That's the reason behind why we are not happy with the Indian government. We are not happy with the state government. Because our culture, our tradition, our language, our land is not given important. And we are treated as a second-class citizen of India. There's the main reason behind why our people, our indigenous people of Tripura, are fighting for their survival. We have crisis of identity. We have crisis of our politics. We have crisis of our economy. We have crisis of our land. We have crisis of our culture. You have seen such a beautiful dance. Our tradition, our culture is so high, so rich. But we are not giving due importance. This is the main paying economy of our people. There is a big question we ask. Why our glorious culture, glorious history is not given importance by the government of India, by the government of Tripura? This is the main reason behind. From 2009, we are compelled to raise our voice, to raise our demand to create statehood, separate state within our state. We are very unfortunate people. In our own land, in our own kingdom, in our own dynasty, our own royal family, present living history, Maharaj Pradeep Kishore is compelled to seek justice, to seek solution under the Constitution of India. We are not against Constitution of India. We are not against Indian government. We are not against Tripura government. Our demand, our voice is for our survival. Our demand is within the jurisdiction of Indian Constitution, Article 2 and 3. We are not terrorists. We are not communal. We love India. We want to live with India. But we want to live with identity. We want to live with status. We want to live with respect. The big question about people. As a human being, as an Indian citizen, we want to live as Indian people, as a first-class citizen. We respect India. We respect Constitution of India. That is what our demand. Our demand is justified. Our demand is legal. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India. I appeal my humble submission to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah ji to understand our pain, to realize our history, to recognize our people, so that we can live peacefully. We can live with peace and tranquility with Indian people. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India to understand our feeling, to accept our demand, to listen our cry. Therefore, my request to the people of the country, my request that in Delhi people, the good leaders of our India people should realize, should understand what is the pain and agony of the indigenous people of Tripura. Bani bagai tini, ang balai ke tong tok ka, sing nagar sano tini, tini sikla rok, tini buri rok, tini buma busa, aku buku rok, balai kostu mabai ka, dorong sai mano, corona virus ni bagai, onek ain kanan tonggo jago, andi kemang ma phun khai ka, dilin officer rok, ai biro phun khai ka, dilo kemang ma ain kanan tonggo. Kumaru regulation tunggu, do mono tas pai di. Kita sempurna koi kha, sempurna violent khaya. We are peace-loving people, we are simple people, we are poor people. We come away from 5,000 away from Delhi. Boni bagai, angomon sanai, sengjot tono, bakha khlai gai. Seng sak bai sak takho bai takho khamjak lai gai buchi lai gai seng tini doi din khana mo tang chini khana te seng ham ke khai nai tini joto phai male kabang ma lengjak bai tha mai ma sa yak somai mote khana te seng borok kabang khlai gai khana seng khai lai nai o kok sai nang hai na jot to no ani pai phlaya ani hamjak ma jabani chuba ya farin ani ko gor pai sinai dotor hambai khlom bai ka